Measure, anchor, and spray. Keep it straight. This wall needs to be perfect. All right, just sealing these microfractures to even out the wall, making it solid. I've got to clear this to set the foundation. Okay, that's compressed. I need to reinforce the edges before I move on. I'm breaking through here, finally gaining some ground. Need to secure it well. All right, that should hold. Now for the interior.
2 feet.
Did he say it when he didn't know?
All right, first one down. Nice and solid.
Need more space for the support beams. All right, this piece fits perfectly. Need to lock it in. There. Distribute the load. All right, this is looking good. The base is finally established. All right, this first post is critical. Must be perfectly vertical and braced against the earth. All right, first one's in.
Let's make sure it's plumb.
Yeah, perfect. Measure 16, just here. Nice, that's a perfect fit. Almost there. Okay, hold it right there, right here.
Yeah, right there.
Nice. Get the fastener, fasten it. Good, solid. Okay, that looks solid. Just got to sight this line.
Right.
Perfect. Ready for the next one. All right, locked in. Looks good. Let's fasten it. Okay, that holds it steady. Let's get the first block in. There, lock tight, good spacing. Next one, same spacing, secure. Measure twice, cut once. This one goes right here to accommodate the curve.
All right, structural enclosure is complete. Now for the systems and finishes.
All right, that one's solid. Now to get the tension right on this next one. Push it tight. Just a little more. All right, just a little more. There, perfect. Push it in firm. Make sure the seal is tight against the earth.
All right, first one up. Looks good.
All right, nice and tight. Just a couple more. There, perfect. $17.5. Perfect. Time to mark the reference points. All right, looking good. Even coverage. Just that one spot near the corner needs a touch up. Ooh, it's holding the light well.
All right, phase one is complete.
Okay, that looks perfectly centered. Now to verify the coordinates. All right, fits good. Now let's secure it. All right, just a little further. Perfect. Right on the line. Okay, here we go. Looks good. Keep it steady. Just a little tweak. Perfect. It's in.
All right, that's done. Time to head back outside. The panel is secured and perfectly aligned. The next step is the horizontal cross beams.
All right, perfect. Just like that. Almost there. Almost there. Locking into place. Perfect. All right, just a little bit more to the right. And got it. Perfect fit. Almost there, just a little shift. Oh, hold it. Got it. Okay, that feels secure. Perfect height. All right, this shelf is ready for its load. All right, perfect. Just a little adjustment. There we go.
All right, alignment good, spacing good, solid, ready to move on.
All right, slowly now. Need to get this right. Just a little lower. There, almost there. Okay, tight, just one more. Solid. Solid. All right, that's it. Perfect alignment. All right, this looks much better now. Just a final tightening. Perfect.
All right, good and smooth.
All right, here goes nothing. Perfect, it's in. Tightening this up. Getting there. Solid. Solid.
All right, that's one. Let's get the others in place and seal this up.
All right, sink, counter, shelves, all good. We're ready for plumbing. All right, these need to align here. Push and twist. Nice, solid seal. All right, let's try this. Just a little.
Yeah.
It's flowing. But wait,
No.
there's a leak. All right, just a little further. Looks good. Just need it flush here. All right, now for the power. Nice and tight. There. All right, shelves, sink, fridge. Looks balanced. Solid build. All right, align the edges just a little more. Now, slide it in. Perfect, locks right into place. Flush. All right, easy does it. Perfect. All right, let's get these pillows just right against the curve. Perfect, that'll be comfortable. All right, final layer going on. This should keep me warm.
Смотри, малис там.
All right, this is the spot. Need to get it level. Adjusting it now, looks good. All right, test one, solid. Yeah, that's holding firm. Let's keep going. All right, that one fits better here. Let's make sure it's tight. Nice and secure now. All right, that's it. It's done. All right, first layer down. Needs to be loose for air. All right, pole 3. Get these angled right. Solid. All right, that's tight. Holds fast. Good job. Ready to light it up?